Pirates Abide. I am Michelle and this is Victor. We have crazy cool toys, go on fun adventures, and hang out with amazing friends. We never know where we'll end up or who we're going to meet. So come with us on our journey today on Pirates Abide. We are headed to Willow Beach. Hopefully this time it will be open.
Yeah, no kidding.
With a few friends, Jack and Richard, who does engine repair.
No, he builds race engines for like trophy trucks and stuff.
Well, okay, race engines. Okay.
He's got the same hull as me with a Ford engine in it.
Nice.
He built that engine like 20 years ago, which I think is cool. And then all of a sudden he found this boat for sale and he's like, hey, I built this engine. So, yeah. We'll see how fast he is.
Well, I'm sure he'll be the fastest of all three of us. We're still faster than Jack. Anyway, we'll catch you when we get there. What can we say about Willow Beach, except we love coming to Willow Beach with our jet boat secondhand. It truly is our number one jet choice. Willow Beach is nestled about 1 hour from our Las Vegas home on the Arizona side of the Colorado River in the Black Canyon region. It is a part of the Lake Mead National Recreational Area and offers adventures in kayaks, canoes, paddleboards, and of course, our jet boat. During the on-season, there are two directions to choose from. In May 2020, we took two trips. The first trip, we went south towards Nelson's Landing with Jack and Richard. It's about 13 miles to our favorite stopping location. Check it out.
What's up, man? Good to see you. Your boat's looking good.
Yeah, thank you.
Sounds like it's running pretty good too, huh?
It seems to be running good. It's not pulling as much RPM as I would like, but we'll play with it.
Yeah, I know.
Look how clear this water is. It's so cold too. But oh my god. Okay, yeah. The farther you get down. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is what we needed. Besides bicycling, paddleboarding. But this is where we wanted to paddle board last week, but it was so full. Yeah, it's a Friday today, so there's like no one out here. So yay! But I've been needing this so bad. To actually get in the water. There's no way in hell I was gonna get in Lake Las Vegas. Even. Okay, that's a little hole. Nice. This used to be our headers, but I mean they got too hot. Are you gonna start running water out of these, or did not that work?
No, I'm running them dry now.
Oh, because that's what his are doing, right?
Yeah.
And that's why it looks like on the back. It looks cool. Yeah.
This is our babes. Woo! Another hole.
I think my cover did this.
And this is ooh, metal flake. Look at this.
I'm not worried about
This is Richard's pretty boat.
if I have to recoat them every...
Yours is so fancy. I love it.
It's the Disco Inferno
The
boat.
sparkle.
The same exact boat as yours.
What?
Same exact.
Oh, we need metal flake, honey.
These
We need
babies-
metal flake, honey. Look at that sparkle.
Michelle,
Yeah.
these boats probably came out of the same mold.
No, really?
What year's yours?
76.
This is 80.
Really?
Well,
They
it's
kept
actually
using
built in
them.
78.
But it looks so...
It's the same
It's got the
exact,
same-
same exact thing.
Probably the same mold.
And it's...
It probably came out of the same mold.
We need to get headers, like, I want these headers back, but I want to run water through them.
Yeah. Now, Victor said he didn't think there was any water on this
No,
side.
I didn't see any water coming
There
out of
was
that side. It was
definitely on-
flying out of this side.
Yeah, okay. That's
When
it.
we were running
It was-
earlier, there was definitely some. So
But
it
there
might-
could
No,
have got a...
might have plugged.
No,
out.
when we
yeah.
first started going out, there was water coming out of it, and then you hit when it started going up, I noticed that it looked like it just shut off, stopped working. So
Okay. Well,
because it was, but when we first started, there was water coming out, and I thought it was really cool watching
you know
it.
where that is, right there. That's where the restrictor is, right there on that
Yeah, I
that fitting right
How
there.
pretty that is.
Yeah.
Tools.
Now I got my and wrench.
There we go.
Stop
That's probably
completely,
better.
or you'd see
The
those things
shine.
changing
Yeah.
color.
This thing
And you
is,
got metal
it's not
flake on the
super hot either. So I think you were getting some water, just not a lot.
Hey, maybe I can get blue vinyl.
I had to have the metal flake piping on the.
Oh heck yeah! I'm sorry, but my metal flakes going on my Plymouth.
Yeah.
Only charge them
To the HEI. I don't think that's what's going on with that. I assume your alternator's charging like
yeah.
this.
Yeah, I've been watching the alternators charging.
This one's right at 14.3.
Oh, well that was
Well,
a little.
I've got,
That one was a
I
little
got-
aggressive.
I just took a rag
Do, do,
and some of that brass off,
do, do.
and these things polished right up. Although, look what I did up here. There was like some weird spots on here.
I saw them. It looks like grease smudges or
And I
something.
grabbed a
thought-
rag. Free. One more time. Ready? Go.
The Hoover Dam is a hydroelectric dam which releases water based upon how much electricity is demanded at any point in time, so the river level tends to fluctuate a little bit based on how much electricity is required. So the river dropped a little bit on us, and when the river goes down, the boats tend to get a little stuck. Luckily we were able to unlodge all three of our boats, and didn't take us too long to start scooching down the river again.
That one was easy.
Lightweight.
Lightweight.
Pack is all dark gray. Feed coat.
happy we're back at the lake?
Oh, I love this. I needed this so bad.
Me too.
Jack rang my doorbell. We were supposed to leave at 9:30. He's ringing my doorbell at 9:25. So I go outside and I go, it's not 9:30 yet. Michelle ain't gonna be ready in 5 minutes. I said, watch this. Yeah.
I was ready.
So we left a little late. We caught up.
They're right now troubleshooting over yonder at the, there's, GoPro's a very wide angle, but over there is the beach, Nellis Beach?
That is Nelson's Landing.
Nelson's Landing. Dang it. Nelson's Landing. And, something going on with Richard's one. How's it going, hon?
We're getting upriver nice and slow. This is how Richard's gonna have to get home.
They're gonna tow. So they're gonna tow Richard in.
Come on, get in before I.
Okay. All right. Let her rip, Jack.
All right. There's two of them down there. Right. They looked like they were old.
Oh yeah, I would say that's been.
Stopped on the beach again. To try to our private beach to try to fix the issue. Later, it was officially the on season at Willow Beach. The on season is between Memorial Day and Labor Day, which meant we were allowed to go north towards the Hoover Dam in our powered jet boat, secondhand. Normally, off season only allows for kayaks, paddle boards, or anything with no motor to go north. This time, we cruised with fellow pirates John, Karen, Bob, and Melinda in John's jet boat, and with us in ours were friends Chrissy and Renee. We took them to our favorite beach spot, Northside. Willow Beach. Waiting for some people. I'm excited to get back out.
Hell yeah.
sure.
This is Jones. Look at the swim deck. I want a swim deck. I'm taking video.
Walking home late at night, maybe 2:30. A little drunk, but I'm alright. Cause I've been hanging with you, and it feels like love. Tell me if I'm wrong, cause it feels like love. Yeah, it feels like love. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just make me feel crazy. A little crazy for you. Hey. I think about you and I want you here with me. Am I out of my mind? Or is this how it should be? You made me sing about love. So just tell me if I'm wrong. But it feels like love. Yeah, it feels like love. Yeah! Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine.
You can't be naked and afraid in this water. It'd be all shriveled up. It'd be laughing stock. Every time that camera turned away from me, I'd just walk.
You're not trying to get me to come in there, right? It ain't gonna happen.
I could dive into a political rant here, but I think that's a time for a different video. The Hoover Dam draws water from the bottom of Lake Mead, which is incredibly cold. It might be 115 degrees outside, but the water on the bottom of the lake, you're looking at 40 or 50 degrees. Ball shiveringly cold. The beautiful part about it is it's crystal clear. You can see all the way down to the bottom, no matter how deep you are when you're this close to Hoover Dam. It might kill you, but god dang it, it's refreshing on 115 degree heat to just dive in with a beer in your hand and just float around. It's one of my favorite things in the world. The pansies we were with couldn't handle the cold, but as you can tell, it didn't faze me much.
How cold is it, hon?
Pretty freaking cold. I was hanging out in there earlier.
That's about a 6-beer cold.
Just keep your beer cold. Keep your beer ice cold. The north side water was a bit too cold for these guys and gals, so we decided to go south towards Lonesome Wash. I'm liking your outfit there.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just make me feel crazy. A little crazy for you. Hey. I think about you and I want you here with me. Am I out of my mind? Or is this how it should be? You made me sing about love. So just tell me if I'm wrong. But it feels like love. Yeah, it feels like love. Yeah! Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just make me feel crazy. A little crazy for you. crazy for you now, baby. I'm a little crazy for you now. A little crazy for you now. A little crazy for you now, baby. I don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this true. Baby, you just make me feel crazy. A little crazy for you. I feel crazy. A little crazy for you, baby. Yeah, yeah. Little crazy for you now. Oh, yeah.
How long has this been now, John? This is wash. What is this? Wash?
Lonesome Wash.
Lonesome Wash.
This was the very first place we came when we put in at Willow Beach. Old man Lindell swore up and down. He said, "No, Willow Beach sucks. You don't want to go to Willow Beach." Take him here once.
And he,
Now
oh,
he can go
that's
anywhere
right.
else.
Yep, he doesn't want to go anywhere else but here. It ended up being an amazing second day at Willow Beach, even though there was crazy choppy water going over our bow every once in a while. If you should ever be itching for a good time on your boat, Willow Beach is a must. But remember to always check when the on and off season is to get your maximum enjoyment out of this area.
You gotta see Havasu in there. There we go. Because even though my team is Havasu with other people.
If you like our content, don't forget to subscribe, click like, or drop a comment. But until next time.